Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add Multiply Me when back on stock on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my Shopify dashboard and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section, orders, products, customers. Here, you're going to find content, analytics, and marketing and discounts. Right here, you're going to find these sales channels. Here under sales channels, you're going to find point of sale and also online store. And lastly, here, you're going to find apps. So basically, guys, right now, what you need to do, guys, in order to add Notify Me, go ahead and click on apps. And then here you're going to find all of your installed apps. And in the bottom, you're going to find all recommended apps. And right under it, you're going to find app and sales channel settings. So go ahead and click on all recommended apps. And then once you do that, you're going to be right here in this page. Once here, just go to the bottom. You're going to find get more recommendations in the Shopify App Store. Give it a click. And then you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So basically, guys, this is the Shopify App Store. Go to the top. You're going to find the search bar and then search for Notify Me and then hit enter. Once you do that, as you can see, guys, right here, you're going to find all of these applications. So go ahead and choose any application that you like. For example, I'm going to choose this one, Notify Back in Stock Pre-Order. Give it a click. And then you're going to be here in the applications page. Right here, you're going to find all of the informations about the application. Go ahead and click on install. And then you're going to be taken to this page right here. So once here, just click on install. And after that, just wait for it to load. And then once loaded, it's going to be added to your dashboard right here. So we're going to press continue, continue. And then as you can see, guys, right here, in order to use the app, you can either choose the free plan or a paid plan. So I'm going to continue with the light plan. And then right here, as you can see, guys, you can add the back in stock notification from here. So this is us, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.